In a landmark achievement for healthcare in South Kashmir, the National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences has accredited 3 Dr. NB cardiology seats to the Department of Cardiology at GMC Anantnag. With a bed strength exceeding 500, these Dr. NB seats are equivalent to a DM in cardiology, placing the institution firmly on the national map of advanced medical education. This milestone marks not just academic recognition, but a transformational moment for cardiac care across the region. Under the patronage of Principal and Dean Professor Dr. Rukhsana Najib, and the leadership of Head of Cardiology Dr. Syed Maqbool, the department has witnessed an extraordinary rise since its rapid expansion in early 2025. Supported by dedicated faculty members including Dr. Shamam Iqbal, Dr. Shokat Hussain Shah, and Dr. Shahud Kakru. Since the cath lab became operational in April 2025, the department has performed more than 3,000 cardiac procedures. Among them, over 1,000 life-saving interventions, including primary angioplasties and pacemaker implantations.
The cardiology department, and there were issues: how do we start it, where is the space, where is the staff? We only had 3 cardiologists, and how do we go ahead? So a thing came into my mind that we'll take a written test and the best 6 will be given to cardiology, and you have proved that you really were the best. So give them a big hand. Different departments, we don't start it over a day. So these 6 students, 24/7, manage the cardiology department, and with sad hearts, we will say them goodbye because there is no chance to retain them. We have to follow the rules and regulations of the government orders that if there is a junior resident, he is here for 1 year, and we will train few more students every year. So thank you so much for working hard, because I happen to visit cardiology so many times, and they would behave as senior faculty consultants. They would read their ECG and they would tell the diagnosis, consult their faculty members and start treatment. Oh, this is how we prevented so many of the mortalities and the morbidities because of these junior residents who were the best in the merit list. So I would tell them best of luck. Do work hard in the future also. Wherever you go, you should excel in your subject. There is a saying my father would tell us that if you are a cobbler, be the best cobbler in the town. So if we are a doctor, be the best doctor in the town. So my best wishes to all of them. And at the same time, I would congratulate the department of basically the DNB department, the coordinator of DNB and his staff for working day in and day out, for so smoothly conducting all the DNB courses. And the best thing they did today was we got a super specialty 3-year course, post MBBS, post MD, DNB, DRNB in the cardiology. So thank you so much, Dr. Ghazali.
It was held jointly in faith and vision, and was encouraged by our esteemed ex-principal Professor Tariq Qureshi Saab, and studied by the quiet logistics of the Department of Medicine. At that time, there was no path already drawn. JKMSCL, which actually procures all the equipments for all the hospitals here, government hospitals, they had no rate contract for such a high-end equipment. There were no precedents to follow, only responsibility. So the path had to be written. For 3 to 4 months, I, as a team, I had the team of medicine and of course the other administrative department. We lived inside the specifications. We drew the lines and clauses that were not merely technical but moral. Each word was shaped with care, knowing that lives would one day depend on their precision. Although it was exhaustive, often lonely work it was in the middle of the night, because you have to just complete the specifications within 3 to 6 months. At every step, resistance was there. Whenever you start any new thing, you will have the resistance that we faced.
देखिए, ये सुपर स्पेशलिटी कोर्स होना एक बहुत बड़ी बात है इस जगह के लिए। ये एक पेरिफेरल मेडिकल कॉलेज है, हमारी पूरी कंट्री का पहला मेडिकल कॉलेज है जहाँ पर एक सुपर स्पेशलिटी कोर्स शुरू होने जा रहा है, वो भी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कार्डियोलॉजी, जो सबसे सेंसिटिव डिपार्टमेंट होता है किसी भी मेडिकल कॉलेज का। इस डिपार्टमेंट के शुरू होने से जब भी कोई बंदा MBBS शुरू करता है या MD शुरू करता है, उसकी एक चाहत होती है कि मुझे कुछ करना है, मुझे अपने मरीज़ को ठीक करना है, मुझे ये सीखना है और फिर आगे चल के यहाँ से मुझे इंडिपेंडेंटली इसको डिलीवर करना है। अभी मेरे पास लोग हैं पीछे सिखाने के लिए। तो ये जो सुपर स्पेशलिटी कोर्स है, इसमें जो बंदा आएगा उसको पता है कि यहाँ जाके मुझे ये सीखना है, मुझे दिन रात इसके लिए काम करना है, मुझे मरीज़ों को देखना है, क्योंकि आगे चल के मेरे पास अभी ऊपर डॉक्टर मकबूल है, डॉक्टर शमीम है, डॉक्टर शौकत है, शहूद है, ये मुझे केयर करने के लिए हैं, ये मेरी गलतियों को सुधारने के लिए हैं, लेकिन आगे चल के मुझे इंडिपेंडेंटली इसको डिलीवर करना है जब मैं यहाँ से निकलूँगा। तो यही एक सुपर स्पेशलिटी में एक यही सबसे बड़ी बात होती है कि ये जो बंदा सुपर स्पेशलिटी करने आता है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा डेडिकेटेड होता है, जिसकी वजह से पेशेंट केयर आसमान को छू जाता है। और दूसरी बात ये होती है कि इसको पता होता है कि मुझे अपडेटेड रहना है। अभी जो लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजीज आ रही हैं, अभी जो लेटेस्ट इनोवेशंस आ रही हैं, जो लेटेस्ट रिसर्च हो रहा है, वो मुझे पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आगे चल के मुझे वही डिलीवर करना है। तो ये सुपर स्पेशलिटी कोर्स होने का मतलब वही होता है। देखिए, रूटीन में अगर आपका ऐसे कोई सीनियर रेजिडेंट आता है या किसी डिपार्टमेंट से और कोई मेडिकल ऑफिसर आता है, उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है, लेकिन उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन ये होता है कि उसको अपना दिन भर का काम करना होता है, उसके बाद जाना होता है। लेकिन इस बंदे को ये पता होता है कि मुझे यहाँ से कुछ लेके जाना है और आगे चल के फिर मुझे इंडिपेंडेंटली डिलीवर करना होता है, जो कि इस चीज़ को बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल बनाता है और इसकी वजह से पेशेंट केयर जो है वो आसमान को छू जाता है।
शुक्रिया।